Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So let's discuss the introduction of DSA. So basically, let us learn what is data structure. It is a way or process to organize the data. This means that if we need to program out something and we need the data for that, hence the data structure coming to the picture where we take help to organize the data into the memory. The question is why we need to organize data. It's because it will help us to process and accessing the organized data in a very efficient manner. So, for example, let's take an example of unorganized wardrobe. Here, as we can see, it is very difficult, very time consuming to select the right one at a right time. So hence, accessing any particular material or the data from this wardrobe is very difficult. Let's organize it and look at this. This organized wardrobe makes it easy to access the clothes as per our choice, right? As we can relate this particular data structure to a simply organizing the data. So let's see the types of data structure now. Basically, we have two types of data structure, linear and non-linear. Coming to the linear, here the data elements are arranged in a very sequential manner as the name says linear. It is arranged in such a way that each member is connected to previous and the next element. Hence, traversal is very easy and it is a single level traversal. For example, we can consider array, linked list, stack, queue as the linear data structures. Coming to the non-linear, here the data element in this data structure are not in a very sequential manner. They are connected to one another through different paths. Here they are stored in multi-level. Hence, the traversal takes some amount of time to it. So, comparatively with the linear, the non-linear is not easy to implement. Example for this is tree and graph. So let's consider two examples on each linear and non-linear. Coming to the linear, we have an array here. As we can see, the data element 5, 2, 1, 6, 7, they are arranged in a very sequential manner and hence it is a single level organization. It's also very easy to implement. Coming to the another example of non-linear, here we can see that the data is not in a sequential manner. It is a multi-level organization where the topmost element of the tree is called as the root. And data, as we can see, it's connected to multiple paths. So yeah, this is it. This video we discussed about the data structure, types of data structure, linear and non-linear, and some of the examples related to them. In the upcoming videos, let us dive deeper on the array, linked list, stacks and queue. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.